ever built a desktop app with WinForms, you know the pain. Ugly default controls, zero visual consistency, and you spend more time writing boilerplate than actually building your product. Today I want to show you something that completely changes that. This is Bitnova UI, a premium component library for WinForms, and I'm going to show you exactly how fast you can go from a blank project to a fully functional, beautiful dashboard. Here's the reality for most WinForms developers. You drop some controls on a form and immediately you're dealing with flat gray buttons, boring grids, and no design system whatsoever. So you start writing custom paint code, building your own rounded corners, your own charts, your own progress bars, and weeks go by without shipping a single feature. That's the problem Bitnova solves. Bitnova UI is a fully owner-drawn WinForms SDK. Every control, buttons, cards, charts, grids, alerts, sidebars, everything is custom rendered with smooth animations, a consistent design language, and full dark and light mode support built right in. You drop the DLL in your project, reference it, and you start building. One DLL. No configuration, no setup, nothing else. What you're looking at right now is a payments analytics dashboard, built for the Kenyan market, showing M-Pesa transactions, card payments, bank transfers, and fraud alerts. And here's the part that should get your attention. This entire dashboard is one file, 573 lines of code, no custom drawing, no GDI boilerplate. Every single thing you see on screen is a Bitnova control. The first page shows KPI stat cards, volume, transaction count, success rate, fraud alerts, each with an accent color, an icon, a trend indicator, and a built-in hover animation. To create one of these, it's 5 properties. Card title, value, change, icon, accent color. That's it. Below that, a 30-day line chart with smooth curves and area fill, a payment method donut chart, a bar chart for daily counts, and animated progress bars showing channel share, all built with SDK controls, zero drawing code. Switch to live feed. Every 1.8 seconds a new transaction arrives, sender, merchant, method, amount, status, and it appears at the top of this paginated grid. The toggle pauses the stream, the chip updates its state, the animated loader shows the feed is active. No threading magic, no custom panels, just SDK controls wired to a timer. The Methods tab breaks down performance by payment channel with 5 different chart types: stat cards, a radar chart, an area chart comparing M-Pesa versus card volume, radial gauges showing success rates, and a bubble chart where each bubble represents a channel position by average ticket size and success rate. 5 chart types, 1 page, all consistent, all animated. The Alerts tab is where you'd monitor fraud in a real deployment. Color-coded alert banners, a timeline of system events, radial gauges for flag rate and resolution rate, and a fraud trend chart. When a fraudulent transaction comes in from the live feed, you get a toast notification, 1 line of code. Bitnova toast. Show, and a beautiful animated notification appears in the corner of your window. Now watch the title bar toggle. That's built into the Bitnova window base class. 1 property, show dark toggle equals true. Click it and every single control switches theme instantly. Cards, charts, sidebar, grid, alerts, the entire application. The SDK manages theme propagation automatically. This is what a design system should feel like. If you're building internal tools, dashboards, or any desktop software on Windows, Bitnova lets you ship a professional product in a fraction of the time. You're not buying a control. You're buying back weeks of development time. You're buying consistency, dark mode, animations, and polished interactions without writing a single paint method. The dashboard you just watched, for pages, live data, charts, grids, fraud monitoring, 1 file, built fast. Check the link below to learn more about Bitnova UI. If you found this useful, share it with a developer who's still fighting with the default WinForms data grid view. See you in the next one.